Hello everyone. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So happy Sunday. So this special day is for you. Start your day with the positive energy and the happy thoughts. All right. So this beautiful flowers for everybody. And today I'm going to discuss about the legal notice which is sent by the Om Swamiji. Okay. So yeah, let's go through the legal notice. So, okay, everyone. So now let me show you that how the greedy people like the Om Swamiji, known as Amit Sharma, and his all the entire team members, they are trying to extort the money from me. They send me a legal notice. Okay, so here to extort the money from me, from the high profile doctor or also known as the Princess of Nimbaka, So you see how they want to destroy my reputation. So legal notice on the behalf of my client, Sri Badrika Ashram Cum Charitable and Social Welfare Society. Okay, 3 days ago. Okay, 10th of July and 5:35 p.m. Dear Dr. Akshita Sharma, please find the attached the legal notice on behalf of my client and kindly go through the same and ensure that the needful is done. Okay, so this is from the Mahamaya Chatterjee, Mrs. Mahamaya Chatterjee. So disclaimer is that it shall not be forwarded to any third party. Okay, so I'm not forwarding anybody, but it is very essential to show everyone, to protect myself as well. So if you are hurting, if I'm violating your right to privacy, I'm extremely sorry for that. I can say sorry to you, okay, not to others. So here is a legal notice. Let me show you. So here you see this legal notice without the bar council registration. Okay. So this is the address of the Swamiji, and you see the first, second. Okay, the praising the Om Swamiji. Okay, where he went, Air Force Station, Goa, Bangalore, Switzerland, Geneva. Okay, New Delhi, Jaipur in Rajasthan as well. So let me show you everyone how the greedy people like the Om Swamiji, known as Amit Sharma, and his all entire team members, they are just trying to extort money from me. Okay, and you can see like they want to destroy the reputation of a high profile doctor, also known as a Princess of Nimbaka. They just want to grab the money, extort the money from me. So they send me a legal notice on the behalf of my client, Sri Badrikashram Cum Charitable and Social Welfare Society. Okay, 3 days ago on the 10th of July on a Guru Purnima. Okay, at the dear in the evening. So, dear Dr. Akshita Sharma, please find attached the legal notice on behalf of my client, Shri Badrika Ashram Cum Charitable and Social Welfare Society. Kindly go through the same and ensure that the needful is done forthwith. So here is a Supreme Court advocate, Mrs. Mahamaya Chatterjee. He's a solicitor there. Like in UK, we call the the barrister. Okay, in India, we call the advocates. So disclaimer is that it shall not be forwarded to any third party. All right. So I'm not forwarding anybody, but this is my right to show everybody, to protect my dignity, to protect my reputation. Okay. If I'm hurting you, if I'm violating your right to privacy, I'm extremely sorry, ma'am. Okay. So I can say sorry to you if I'm hurting you. You have not mentioned your bar council as well in the legal letter. So uh, I can say sorry to you, but not to the Om Swamiji without any reason. So here is a PDF file. Let me open this. So here you see your legal notice without any bar council registration number. That is very essential in in India or for any legal proceeding. So you said, dear ma'am, my client's address and so much praise about your client. So here you see, the MBA from the Sydney, Australia, as Wilderib, okay, and all that. And the society is exempted under the Income Tax Act, okay, and where he has been in the past years, the Goa and Bangalore, Switzerland, Delhi, Jaipur as well, okay, in Rajasthan. So all the the all the police forces who's from the Rajasthan, the European country, the Switzerland, the Bangalore, and the Goa police and Delhi police, they all are authorized to take this case. Now, his book's name, the If Truth Be Told, okay, amongst memory, or all these like the Harpin Collins or the Jacob Publishing House. If anybody wants to publish their books, if I also want to publish my books in future, I get the idea. Okay, thank you so much, madam, for sending me this letter, this notice. Okay, so this in your notice website video, the link mentioned below are defamatory and erroneous, bogus, incorrect, scandalous, and the absolutely unacceptable video that has been posted on your channel. Okay, the bogus video. Okay, if you don't like it, don't watch it now. The video stand posted on this very same day as well as of the today. The video at present it says 60 views. Okay, so let me tell you, if my video gets the more views, I will give you the defamation money, okay, on your videos. Don't worry for that. I'm a very over generous person. मैं वैसे भी बहुत डोनेशन करती हूँ. So if your video gets more views on my YouTube channel, I can give you the full 100% money. Okay, even I don't want the 50% amount for. And you have mentioned the date as well. Very nice. And you also wrote that Om Swamiji desires the Ojaswani, that is Akshita. He is November born, Sagittarius. I am a Virgo born. Okay, whatever I said in the video, you wrote the same. Okay, nice. Like, it's a true. And I don't like the some Hindu spiritual monks as well. Yeah, I don't like it. And according to me, the renunciation age is a 75. You should not take the renunciation sannyas order till the age of 75, as per my opinions, as per my philosophy. Okay, so yeah, whatever you have written, all these are the same. And where you have mentioned like you are. Saying that which is causing the huge damage to the image and the goodwill and the reputation of the Sri Om Swamiji, Sadhvis, and my clients. Okay, so if you think that this is a huge damage to your client's image as well, so I have also my reputation, my dignity in the society. Okay, and I have also my fundamental rights. My clients reserve the right to take appropriate legal action against your organizations. Yeah, you can take against my organizations. Okay, Ojasya, the Sterling Health. That is the name of my organizations, and I have other organizations as well. On which organization you want to take it? So this was the 16 pages notice. So I just want to say one thing, that I'm not happy with the 16 pages. All right. I want, the more pages. And I'm not happy with the only 16 pages legal notice. Okay. Send me other notice. Okay. Send me the 1008 pages. Okay. With the Bar Council registration. तानु 1008 pages. तानु 1008 पेजेस का नोटिस भेजना चाहिए था, एंड आते तो सिर्फ 16 पेजेस का नोटिस भेज रहे हो. नो स्वामी जी, नो मैम चैटर्जी, send me 1008 pages of the legal notice with the Bar Council registration number. Okay, and I just want to ask one question to everybody, that I gave him the title of the 1008 Shri Om Swamiji. Okay, so what do you think? Like, is it an honor or a defamation or a bogus word? Tell me in the comment section. Like, I don't understand, where do these people come from? Like, I praise him. I'm making a videos about him to waste my time. Okay, even I'm not getting any money from all these videos. Okay, so even I'm not taking even a single penny from Swamiji's as well, or other Swamiji disciple, to make such kind of the videos. Even my one of the good friends said, like, they were suggesting me that you should get money to give such titles to the Hindu monks, or you are the real princess of the Nimbarka, you are authorized to give the 1008 Shri title to the pious monks, or like that. But like, मैं कुछ भी नहीं ले रही हूँ, फिर भी स्वामी जी is getting annoyed. And I don't care about the sadhvis and all that. Why? Let me tell you. Because like I will never say sorry to such type of those characterless sadhvis. Okay, they should feel ashamed on their bad karmas. And you can see, everybody can say they are residing with a Hindu monk who is unmarried. They should reside with their family members like parents, sibling, husband, and they are living in a relationship with the other person's husband, with the Swamiji. And if you are feeling bad, like, you should be ashamed, yeah. And if you don't like to listen my voice, just don't listen. Why you are listening me? Don't listen, okay? And I will still forgive the Swamiji, like if he says sorry. मैं फिर भी उन्हें माफ कर देंगी, but you know I'm not gonna say sorry to anybody, because like he loves me a lot. I will consider, okay, I'm a very over generous person, so I'll avoid the all other mistakes of him, but I will not avoid the other the other person's mistakes, because I have a lot of evidences on my table. All right. And I have a over ego problem because my sun and Jupiter is placed in the 12th house. Okay. So uh, you can search on the Google, or like if your Guruji taught you about the astrological chart, like when the two planets, the Sun and Jupiter, conjunct together and they are placed in the 12th house, like what is the kind of the native personality? Okay, so I'm like this only. Like Sun is about like the authority, ego, confidence, and the Jupiter is about the wisdom, knowledge, and confidence. So like I'm a spiritual. I have higher learning and faith in the God, but I'm like I'm in rigid in belief system. A superiority complex, because I'm born in a priestly family. I'm a daughter of the Lord Shiva Brahma. Come from a royal princess. I'm a princess. I'm a come from the royal family and known as a princess of Nimbarka. So like that. That's why I have this problem. So take my critics in a good manner to improve your life. Okay, do bhakti, do devotion service to the God, to the deity Lord Shri Hari, to Vishnu. Okay, everyone. So I have also right to freedom and express myself. If he is also discoursing his lectures digitally, I have also right to preach my discourses like this. Okay, and लेट मी टेल यू वन एक्रोनिम BMW. ओके, इसी को देख के इन्होंने नोटिस भेजा है, ठीक है, माई प्रोफाइल पे. सो बी if we talk about in the medical science, the acronym of the BMW is a biomedical test. And if we talk about here in a in a mock manner, then let me tell you, B stands for the boggy man. Boggy man, a evil person, like unpleasant in order to make other people afraid. All right. And M stands for the mean person, the myopic person. So I have a myopia. तभी आर्मी वालों ने मुझे लिया नहीं. दे सेड लाइक, मैडम आपको मायोपिया है, पता चला आपने किसी किसी एनिमी को मारना था और आपने किसी फ्रेंड को ही मार दिया. सो लाइक दैट. ओके, सो मीन पर्सन, myopic person. Okay, W stands for the weird person. Weird person, the wasteful person on this earth, and the weak person. So, Swamiji क्या है guys? BMW. Fast and furious, aggressive, very sensitive person, the boggy man, evil person, mean, myopic person, and the weird and wasteful person. Myopic, the other meaning of myopic means like they unable to understand the situation, they are unable to understand the situation, like a person is going through which phases. And and the real form of the BMW says the Bayerische Motoren. So what is the full form of the BMW? This is an acronym, the Bayerische Motoren Werke. Okay, so पहले नाम बोलना सीख लो, फिर खरीद भी लेना, ठीक है. अभी नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं that why I have given the curse to the Swamiji, because I have my issues. Okay, and the land is illegal. The land is illegal. Okay, and the ashram has been built at the remote place where the road to ashram is no less than a dangerous adventure. So that's why and everything will be destroyed except the temple deity. Okay, I respect my Hindu religion. Okay, till I am not converted to the Christianity. So I'll say Jai Shri Krishna to everybody because I'm still Hindu. When I'll officially change my religion, then I won't say. And yeah, so the temple and the books, the library will not be destroyed. Okay, because I love the stones. You know the stones, every stone, like the jewelry stone or the DT stone, and the books I love because I respect the goddess Saraswati. You know, I consider myself as a Saraswati, as a daughter of the Lord Shiva Brahma. So whatever has written in the books, you know, by our the previous the sages, the pious sages, or the monks, or the writers, authors. So I respect the writings. I respect the words a lot. So I respect the stones. I respect the writing. Yeah. So Southwest. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope like these greedy people won't disturb me anymore. I don't have time to make such videos, and I have already made the 7 videos. Okay, 7 days. They have given me 7 days. Okay, the सात फेरे, 7 दिन. Okay, friends, 7 days of life, you know, the King Parikshit got the curse from the sage Shringi, you know, from a snake bite within a 7 days. So the king also got the a curse to die within the 7 days. So 7 days is also related to the Ketu Maharaj 7 days, you know, Sunday. Today is the 7th day. So ये भी केतु महाराज का है प्रलय. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family members so they will understand the other situation as well. All right. So 7 दिन की जिंदगी है, friends. Okay. So listen the Shrimad Bhagavad Purana, which is narrated, you know, for the 7 days. So thank you so much for watching this video, and um, on what I want to say, that you can emphasize your transformative power of the spiritual knowledge and the devotions, you know, especially during the 7th day, that is a Sunday, at least. So this was a story of Sunday. And ऐसे लीगल नोटिस मुझे आते रहते हैं. I don't care. I thought like this is a special one, so let me share. Okay, I am not afraid with anybody, and I already discussed in the video that if I get the money from 7 videos, okay, that you know, I have mentioned the Swamiji's name, I'll give the complete money to his society, you know, the charitable organizations. So that's it. Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. I hope your day will be so nice. And this last message for the legal entity, that if anybody wants to take my case, you know, the barrister, the English barrister, and the Indian Supreme Court advocates, if you want to take my case as a free of cost, and you can take this. And if I win the case, I'll pay your fees. If I get the defamation amount, I'll surely, I'll promise that I'll pay your fees. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if any barrister or if any Supreme Court advocate wants to take my case, they can contact me, or they can notify their insights on this case. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.